In order to take a screenshot, press Windows plus Alt plus Print Screen button. Screenshot successfully captured. Let's take one more screenshot. Press Windows plus Alt plus Print Screen button.
Bonus Gyan.
Let me tell you how to change the default keywords for taking screenshots. Firstly, open Settings. Here, click on Gaming option. In the Game Bar tab, you'll find an option Take Screenshot. Check it out and change the shortcut key. For example, I am replacing the default shortcut with Ctrl plus G. Scroll down and simply click on Save. You are all set now. Just press Ctrl plus G, it works. Shortcut key is successfully changed. Thanks for watching till the end. Please do subscribe my channel.